I put together with Luis Flores a replica of Daft Punk helmet, which is a silver chromed helmet with a full LED matrix display on the front. It's awesome. Daft Punk is a band, and these guys are in full helmets all the time. So the idea has been done. These guys do this every single day. So the idea was to just do a reproduction of this thing. So we took a baseball helmet with some cardboard to give it the shape of it. We then used, with some fiberglass and some Bondo, gave it the structural integrity, smoothed it down, and then painted it with chrome paints to give it a really shiny silver look. On the inside, the electronics has a 7x32 LED matrix array that has some LED drivers, and it's ultimately being driven by an MSP430 launch pad to control the sequence of the patterns on the LEDs. So when I'm wearing the helmet, I do feel like a robot because your voice echoes and it resonates through, so you feel like Darth Vader. You actually can see out of it through the mesh of the LEDs themselves. The most complicated part was definitely the mechanical assembly of taking a baseball helmet to make it look like the Daft Punk helmet with a full face mask. The earpieces are made out of Coke cans. So we use all kinds of odds and ends inside, just random bits of wire and some old DIY projects for the LED drivers. So it really is a very home-brewed effort. So if you were to buy everything from scratch, you probably would be looking at about $150, but most of the things, since they're household items, you probably already have them in your garage. So arguably this could easily cost an average person who has a lot of these things somewhere in the $50 range. We picked the patterns on the LEDs with a very scientific method of what looked the coolest. So we've gone through several iterations of patterns and words, and honestly we just cycled through a lot of them. So if you have any recommendations, we'd love to put them on there too.